Winter storm brings snow and ice to northeast U.S. A winter storm has brought snow and ice to the northeast U.S., with continued light snow and freezing temperatures creating hazardous conditions. Another weather system is expected soon, potentially bringing more wintry weather. Residents are urged to stay informed and take precautions against icy roads and potential travel disruptions. Snow and ice blanket northeast U.S. A winter storm has swept through the northeast U.S., blanketing the region with snow and ice. The New York City metropolitan area saw approximately 3 inches of snow, while southern Connecticut and the Hudson Valley were hit harder with more substantial accumulations. Long Island experienced snowfall ranging from 2 to 6 inches, creating hazardous travel conditions and prompting weather advisories. 1 to 95 corridor. Light snow. Freezing temperatures. As the storm begins to weaken, light snow and a wintry mix are expected to linger along the I-95 corridor throughout Saturday. The primary concern now shifts to the plummeting temperatures, with lows near or below freezing across the region, including in Washington, D.C. and Pittsburgh. There is a high risk of refreezing. Slush and snow could turn into treacherous ice patches, posing a significant threat to pedestrians and drivers alike. Residents are urged to exercise caution and be mindful of black ice, which can be particularly difficult to spot. Rain expected late Sunday into Monday. Looking ahead, another weather system is on the horizon, expected to arrive late Sunday into Monday. While this system is primarily anticipated to bring rain, higher elevations may experience a wintry mix. This could further complicate travel conditions and exacerbate the potential for icy roads. It is crucial for residents to stay informed about the latest weather forecasts and heed any warnings issued by local authorities. Prepare for winter weather and power outages. The impact of this winter storm underscores the importance of winter weather preparedness, ensuring that vehicles are equipped with appropriate tires, stocking up on emergency supplies, and having a plan in place for potential power outages are all essential steps. By taking these precautions, individuals and families can better navigate the challenges posed by severe winter weather and minimize the risks associated with snow and ice.